In this video, we will introduce 7 new features of ASM 7.2.0. We will introduce central rule management, central software management, ISA 99 Topology View, changes to the system administration menu, new interfaces tab on baselines, an update to vulnerability monitoring to include ICS-CERT information, and finally, a new centralized search menu. Shown here is the redesigned Asset Rule Management page, which is accessible from the Rules menu. Upon entering this page, you will select your asset group from the Asset Selection panel. In this example, we will use the Demo Asset Group. After selecting the asset group, we will go over to the Logical Rule and Asset Group panel and push the following rule groups: Host Monitoring Rule and Default Configuration Data Rule. After you've selected these rule groups, you will see a list of unassigned logical rules. We will select the Multi-Select to assign these rules to this asset group, and then we will select the Push button to push the rules to the endpoints. It may take several minutes for the synchronization of the rules to occur. After the rules have been synced in several minutes, you can go under this asset group and select your asset group and the Check Rule Mismatch. You can see the differences between the rules that have been assigned and that are actually running on the asset. Next, we will introduce the Central Software Management feature, which is accessible from the System Administration menu. This feature allows for centralized updates of Industrial Defender ASA, NIDS, and agent software from the ASM. In this example, we will upload the latest configuration rules into the software repository and then use the Software Management page to push this package. Our next feature is the new ISA 99 Topology View to display assets using the Purdue model network segmentation. ISA 99 levels are assigned to assets using the administrative properties name ISA-99 level. The ISA 99 Topology page is available using the Assets menu. The updated System Administration menu includes settings for miscellaneous ASM settings, the Message Center for messages about ASM actions, and the Audit Log for reviewing user logons and changes to asset configuration, asset groups, and rule groups. We'll take a look here at the Settings page, which shows configuration for the email server, ASM licensing, the Manage API, organization statement, purge and archive settings, report settings, and system settings. Next, we will look at the Message Center under System Administration. Message Center. Here we can see messages related to ASM actions. And now finally, the Audit Log Search available under System Administration. We'll show changes to asset configuration, asset groups, and rule groups. Next, we'll look at the new Device Interfaces tab that's been added to the baselines. From the Asset Administration page, we're going to open up the baselines for the ASM. And we're going to go to the Device Interface tab and see the details. Next, we'll look at the Vulnerability Monitoring new feature for ICS-CERT. As you can see from the Vulnerability Monitor, we have a view by ICS-CERT category. And for the last new feature in ASM 7.2.0, we're going to look at the new search menu, which replaces the event search, the user search, the software search, and the configuration. All those different searches are now available under one centralized search menu.